Dear students, today's session we are going to study how to make the taper turning component by using the CNC turner. Okay. Now I am showing the CNC turner which is available in our manufacturing technology laboratory. Okay. The aim for this experiment is to machine a given workpiece for given dimensions using taper turning operations. The program was shown here. Okay. The programmed one. So the program is N10, G21, G19, that is by using G code. Then N20 is the G28, U0, W0. Then N30, M06, T1. And the same way we are going to use the phasing, that is G94, X, 1 Z, 0.5 and F100. Okay, Z1, Z1.5 and Z2 like this. Now we are going to use the canned cycle. Okay, that is G71, U0.5 R1. Okay, because that taper turning is repeatedly we are doing, therefore canned cycle we are going to use. Okay, now the operation is going on. Okay, this operation is going on. Now I am going to show and yes. Okay. The taper turning operation. With the step turning, it is taper turning operation is also doing. Okay. So what's the result obtained means the workpiece is machined as per the dimensions. Workpiece what I have fitted in the spindle, that was machined in the machine. Okay. Now I am showing the close view of the finished component. The taper turning. The taper turning. So it is the final product. The workpiece is machined as per the dimensions. Okay. See? The result obtained is the workpiece is machined as per the dimension. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.